So, dear students, this is the RMO problem, that is a Regional Mathematical Olympiad. Okay, here is the problem of quadratic equations or a theory of equations. So, what is the problem given? Let f of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c, and g of x is x cube plus bx square plus cx plus c, where a, b, c are integers. A, B, C are integers with C is not equal to 0. So if f of 1 is equal to 0 and the roots of g of x is equal to 0, or squares of the roots of f of x is equal to 0, then we have to find the value of a to the power of 2013 plus b to the power of 2013 plus c to the power of 2013. So what we have given? So f of 1 is equal to 0, that means 1 is the root of this, f of x is equal to 0. Since it is the cubic equation, f of x is equal to 0 is the cubic equation, it can have 3 roots. So f of 1 is equal to 0 means 1 is the root of the f of x is equal to 0 equation. So we get the other 2 roots. The roots be alpha and beta. That means the 1 alpha beta are roots of the equation f of x is equal to 0. And what I given another one? So g of x is x cube plus bx square plus cx plus ca. Okay. The roots of g of x is equal to 0 are squares of the roots of f of x is equal to 0. So you assume 1 alpha beta are roots of f of x 0. Then roots of g of x 1 square, that is 1 alpha square, and beta square are roots of g of x is equal to 0. So in order to solve this problem, I am going to use these two formulae. If alpha, beta, gamma are roots of the equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, then sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Here, so a is not equal to 0. And one more formula. So a plus b plus c whole square, that's equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. So what is f of x is equal to 0? That is x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. Let so 1 alpha beta are so roots of the equation f of x is equal to 0. That is, what is f of x is equal to 0? X cube plus ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, by this formula, alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha c by a. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. So, sum of the roots, that's equal to 1 plus alpha plus beta is equal to minus a by 1. Minus a by 1 means minus a. So 1 into alpha plus alpha into beta plus beta into 1. This is equal to, so alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. This is equal to c by a. So that means here b by 1. That is b. So what will get? Alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. This is equal to B. Say this is 1 and this is 2. And write the product of the roots alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha, beta, gamma, that is here 1 into alpha into beta. So this is equal to, what is the formula of product of the roots alpha, beta, gamma, that is minus d by a. Minus d by a. Here d is c. So this is equal to minus c by 1. That is minus c. So therefore alpha beta is equal to minus c. Okay. So next one, from the given data you see here, the roots of g of x is equal to 0 are squares of the roots of f of x is equal to 0. Since we supposed 1 alpha beta roots of this equation, the roots of g of x 0 are 1 square, that is 1 alpha square beta square, or roots of g of x is equal to 0. So 1 alpha square, that is beta square, are roots of, so g of x is equal to 0. Now use the sum of the roots formula. So that is, what is g of x here? So 1 alpha square beta square roots of g of x is equal to 0. What is g of x? 0. So x cube plus bx square plus cx plus ca is equal to 0. Now sum of the roots, that is 1 plus, so alpha square plus beta square is equal to minus b by 1, that is minus b, and product of the roots is 1 into alpha square into beta square is equal to minus a by 1, that is minus a. So minus a is equal to minus a is equal to alpha square beta square, that is alpha beta whole square. Now what is beta here? See, alpha beta is equal to minus c. So substituting minus c, what will get? Minus c whole square. Minus c whole square is equal to c square. So minus a is equal to c square. Or we can write a is equal to minus c square. And so 1 plus alpha plus beta is equal to minus a. 1 plus alpha plus beta is equal to minus a. I am going to square on this. So squaring on both sides. Alpha 1 plus alpha plus beta is equal to minus a. And squaring we get, so minus a whole square. So this is equal to 1 plus alpha plus beta whole square. So this is the form a plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula? So a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So minus a whole square is a square. This is the 1 square is 1 plus alpha square plus beta square plus 2 into 1 into alpha is alpha plus into 1, that is beta, plus alpha into beta. Now, so 1 plus alpha square plus beta square, 1 plus alpha square plus beta square minus b. So I substitute minus b in place of 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. Okay. So this is equal to a square is equal to minus b plus, so 2 into, see here, alpha plus alpha beta is equal to b. Alpha plus alpha beta is equal to b. So I substitute b in place of alpha plus alpha beta. So this is equal to 2b. Now a square is equal to 2b minus b, that is b. So a square is equal to b. Right? Since f of 1 is equal to 0, this is given. What is f of x? So f of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, so you can also substitute here. So b is equal to a square means, so a is equal to minus c square, that is minus c square whole square, c to the power of 4. So f of 1 is equal to 0, f of x is equal to x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c. So f of 1 is equal to 0 means 1 cube is 1 plus a into 1 is a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So 1 plus, so what is a? See here, a is equal to minus c square. So plus into minus c square. Next one, what is b? So b is equal to c to the power of 4 plus c, that's equal to 0. So c to the power of 4 minus c square plus c plus 1, this is equal to 0. So I take the c square common from the first two terms, c square into c square minus 1 square plus c plus 1, this is equal to 0. Now a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, that is c square into c plus 1 into c minus 1 plus, so c plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can take c plus 1 is a common factor. So taking c plus 1 is a common factor, we get here c square into c minus 1, c square into c minus 1, c square into c is c cube, c square into minus 1, that is minus c square. Here c plus 1 is taken out, you get 1. So one root is c is equal to minus 1, c plus 1 0, that is c is equal to minus 1, or so c cube minus c square plus 1, this is equal to 0. So given c is an integer, c is equal to minus 1, and this equation can not have the integer roots. C cube minus c square plus 1 is equal to 0 has no integer roots. How can you say it has no integer roots? Suppose c is equal to 0. If you satisfy c 0, c cube is 0 minus c square 0. So if c is equal to 0, 0 cube is 0 minus 0 plus 1. So this cannot be 0. So c is not equal to 0. Suppose c is the even integer. Suppose c is even integer. If c is even, c cube is what? That is also even. So that is even. C square, that is also even, plus 1. So even minus even, that is also even number, plus 1, that's equal to odd number. So this cannot be 0. Odd number cannot be 0. So it has no integer, no even integer root. Suppose c is the odd. So c is odd. C cube is also odd. C square is also odd. Plus 1. So odd integer minus odd integer, even integer plus 1, that's equal to odd number. That is not equal to 0. Therefore, so c cube minus c square plus 1 is equal to 0 has no integer roots. So c is equal to minus 1. Is only one root, right? C is equal to 1. Now, what is b? B is equal to c to the power of 4. Okay? B is equal to c to the power of 4. And what is a? A is equal to minus c square. So, I substitute the c value to get a, b, c, a, b values. So, therefore, so a is equal to minus c square, that is minus 1 whole square is 1, minus 1 into plus 1, minus 1, and b is equal to c to the power of 4, that is minus 1 whole to the power of 4, that is equal to 1. Now, a to the power of 2013 plus b to the power of 2013 plus c to the power of 2013, this is equal to, what is a value? Minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of 2013 is odd degree. So that's equal to minus 1. B to the power of 2013. What is B? 1. 1 to the power of 2013 is 1. C value is minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power of 2013, minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. This is equal to minus 1. So what is the value of a to the power of 2013 plus b to the power of 2013 plus c to the power of 2013? That value is equal to minus 1. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this problem. Thank you.